Hi everyone. We all know that NEET PG has been postponed and no date has been given. So I have a very important update for all of you, because I was constantly getting messages on when it is gonna happen, after 10 days or after 15 days. So I can tell you that the decision when the NEET PG will happen will not be taken before 1st of June. So that means you are not having NEET PG exam till 1st of June. The decision when the exam is gonna happen will be taken only after 1st of June. So that's a very important update that I have for all of you. I also have a request for all of you. The country is in dire need. I am working in a COVID area and I can tell you the situation is really very bad. Almost everybody around us has COVID. I request all of you to come and support people in this time. I request all of you who have completed your MBBS to come and support the people in need. We need doctors at multiple places. It is not a volunteer work. You will be paid a very good amount, but the money does not matter here. The country really need you. I request all of you to please come and support at least for a month. At least for a month. I can tell you that the exam is not gonna be there before 1st of June. So it's a sincere request. I am sending a Google link, a Google Excel sheet. Please fill this form if you are interested in working at any of the area, be it as a volunteer, be it as a doctor who want to get paid. We will take care of your accommodation, we will take care of your food, but we need you. So it's a sincere request. I know exams are important. I am somebody who talk about exam, but this time country need all of you. So please come and support. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Please come.